In this episode, we will discuss how Bitcoin is different than other commodities. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. An incredible characteristic that Bitcoin has that no other commodity in history has had is its set-in-stone, unalterable supply schedule. The Bitcoin code enforces a block reward for successful miners. This reward started out as 50 Bitcoin back in 2008. However, every 50,144 blocks since the Genesis block, the reward has been cut in half. Because of the difficulty adjustment, another genius characteristic of Bitcoin, which I discussed in the episode titled Bitcoin is Here to Stay, to which I'll link below. Each block takes approximately 10 minutes to mine. So the halving of the block reward takes place approximately every 4 years. And guess what? The next halving is only weeks away. Now, when these halving events took place in the past, it triggered a rise in Bitcoin's price because, simply put, the supply couldn't keep up with the demand. And that's exactly how Satoshi designed the process. He didn't want Bitcoin supply to expand indefinitely like fiat money does. He wanted the Bitcoin supply to taper off over a preset timeline of approximately 130 years, so that it can never be debased by inflation. But the very interesting fact about the upcoming halving that differs from all the previous ones is the recent entry of giant hedge funds like BlackRock and Fidelity into the demand side of the equation. Here's what's been happening in the past month since the spot ETFs received their approval in the USA. Bitcoin miners are minting 6.25 Bitcoin every 10 minutes for a total of about 900 Bitcoin production per day. The hedge funds have been buying up about 9,000 a day. It's easy to see the supply just won't be able to keep up with such a disparity in demand. Bitcoin's price is rising, and its price has already hit Fibonacci levels pre-halving that have never been hit before. Just think of what will happen when the production is cut down to 450 Bitcoin a day, and that fact is just around the corner. Like I've said before, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a talking dog fascinated by the good Bitcoin can do to preserve people's earning power against the ravages of inflation. But I can say that I have heard very smart financial experts say that the only bad Bitcoin position is to have no position at all. And that's definitely something to think about. There's a lot to learn about Bitcoin. Please follow me on this journey. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment if you please. And always remember that just like a talking dog, Bitcoin is a miracle.